The XRP price has had a mixed flow this month in terms of price action. The crypto surged by 25% in the first week of November to cross over 73 cents, marking the first crossover this price point since June. However, XRP has since lost some of these gains. The crypto is now trading at $0.6574 at the time of writing and is down by 5.04% in a 7-day time frame. According to crypto analyst and enthusiast Will Taylor, known as Crypt1Side on social media, this is quite normal for XRP, and price history has shown it's only a matter of time before it catches up. The analyst made this known while sharing his technical analysis on X, formerly Twitter. According to him, technical indicators point to liquidity rolling into XRP very soon, and a price takeoff is expected in less than 2 days. Liquidity to rotate into XRP. Crypt1Side has predicted a further increase for XRP in the near term, resonating with other analysts observing a positive trajectory for XRP. The asset has mostly interlinked with the wider movements within Bitcoin and Ethereum since October's lows. It has now lagged behind, with liquidity flowing to other altcoins like Solana and Cardano. Technical analysis using the RSI indicator shared by Crypt1Side showed that XRP recently entered overbought territory since it rose a lot in a short period of time. The analyst pointed out that the last time the asset entered the overbought territory on the RSI, it continued to rally around 36%. Crypt1Side thinks we're seeing the same pattern play out now, and a blast-off is imminent in the next 24 hours. A repeat of this rally from the current price puts a price target of 90 cents for XRP. Technical points to look at for XRP price rally. XRP is ready for a strong rally now that its growth is no longer suppressed by the SEC lawsuit. It has now formed support at the 65 cents level, and the first step will be to break over 70 cents. The next resistance is at its yearly high of 80 cents. Other bullish analyses have come in for XRP in recent days. A previous X post by Crypt1Side predicted a strong rally to $10 at least. According to analyst Ergeek Crypto, XRP appears poised to reach at least $1.30 after breaking out of the current ascending triangle. Then a stronger price move to at least $5.50 before retail investors start to sell off. There is a good possibility that XRP's price may surge above $1 in the near future. However, this might not come to reality until a U.S. judge finally addresses all regulatory uncertainty surrounding Ripple and XRP. The good news is that Ripple seems to have the upper hand at the moment. In a recent on the X platform, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse expressed his concerns about the surge of deepfake scam videos on YouTube. He pointed to a recent case of old video footage from Ripple's events being manipulated to overlay new words that create a misleading narrative. Are you asleep at the wheel again? Garlinghouse asked the video hosting giant. He also reminded the public to not trust blindly and to verify all messaging, stating that only official Ripple accounts provide approved information. A horrifyingly realistic Ripple scam. As reported by U.Today, the alarming scam involving Ripple-affiliated XRP cryptocurrency recently emerged on social media, utilizing AI technology to create a highly convincing imitation of Garlinghouse. This deepfake scam entices viewers with a fake XRP giveaway, asking them to send a minimum of 1,000 XRP in exchange for double the amount in return. The scam video, featuring a voice closely resembling Garlinghouse's, falsely promotes this offer as a community support initiative. Some XRP fans did notice oddities in the video's mouth movements. Still, the scam's sophisticated nature showcases a concerning trend of using AI to replicate public figures' voices. Ripple's battle with YouTube. Ripple's history with YouTube includes legal action over the platform's handling of similar fraudulent content. The San Francisco-based previously sued YouTube for its failure to control scams falsely representing the company and its executives. The case was settled with YouTube acknowledging the need for better measures to curb such fraudulent content. However, given the recent upsurge in deepfake scams, it is not unclear whether Garlinghouse is gearing up for another legal showdown with the video-sharing platform. Zaho, the XRP ledger's first protocol sidechain, has taken a huge governance leap. The governance game portal for the Zaho network has been launched by Bithump. The XRP Ledger Explorer, Bithump, has created a platform laying out Zaho's governance game landscape with all of its participants and activity. We are excited to announce that we've created the XRP Labs, Titanium, Evernode, Digital Governance, and GitHub Crypto represent individual validators, Level 1, while the Zaho Projects Table, Zaho Dev Table, Zaho Auditors, and Enterprise and Zaho Exchange Table represent a group, Level 2. On October 31st, the Zaho network went live, marking an important milestone. Ahead of its launch, Zaho presented its revolutionary governance mechanism, dubbed the Governance Game, which will control token distribution, reward active users and ensure network viability. The Governance Game ensures that each member or validator has a say in shaping developments in the Zaho ecosystem. With a total of 20 seats, each has its vote. Some seats represent individual validators, Level 1, while others represent a group of validators, Level 2. The Zoho governance game can be compared to a decision-making body that uses a voting mechanism, similar to a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, that makes decisions based on consensus among its members. The Genesis Hooks examines validator participation in consensus using the UNL report while guaranteeing that only those achieving the consensus threshold are rewarded. GitHub announced shortly after Zoho's launch that it would begin supporting the Zoho network in its wallet and DEX on November 15. Undoubtedly establishing itself as a standout performer in the expansive altcoin market, Solana has achieved exceptional growth over the course of the past year, marking an impressive surge of nearly 300%. This remarkable ascent underscores Solana's resilience and appeal within the cryptocurrency landscape. The cryptocurrency has not merely kept pace but has outpaced many of its counterparts, solidifying its status as a noteworthy investment choice. Presently exchanging hands at approximately $58, Solana exhibits an impressive display of relentless upward momentum, notably experiencing a noteworthy 40% surge in value within the last 7 days alone. This surge not only reflects the cryptocurrency's immediate strength but also contributes to its status as a formidable player in the digital asset arena. Solana price gets boost from whales. As of the current moment, Solana proudly holds the prestigious position as the 7th largest cryptocurrency, fortified by a substantial market capitalization that has exceeded the impressive milestone of $24 billion. Whale Alert revealed 2 significant Solana trades on November 12, each worth more than $30 million. Transferring 325,222 SOL worth more than $18.60 million to the Binance exchange was the initial transaction. Solana whales have been engaging in a higher volume of huge transactions lately, transferring a considerable portion of the tokens to exchanges. Given this recent behavior, is it feasible that SOL's gains would gradually decline? Taking long positions, traders are now witnessing a notable shift in behavior due to Solana's highest positive funding rate of the year, reaching 0.07% on November 12. This optimistic outlook reflects their confidence in the continued upward movement of the price. Meanwhile, the surge in open interest, OI, signifies a capital influx into Solana, with traders actively opening new positions. Kindglass data reveals that Solana's OI volume has been on a consistent upward trend since the beginning of November, reaching over $760 million at the time of writing. Notably, the last instance of SOL experiencing such a high OI volume was around May 2022. This historical context emphasizes the significance of the current surge in OI and its implications for Solana's market dynamics. The rate of SOL is near the resistance on the hourly chart, indicating that buyers have some degree of influence over sellers. By the end of the day, if nothing changes, the growth may go past the $60 level. According to the weekly chart analysis, the rate of SOL is poised to conclude within the positive zone. Currently, there is a lack of negative indicators. In the event of the bar's closure in proximity to the $60 range, it is plausible that an upward movement might ensue, potentially culminating in an examination of the $65 range in the near future.